Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this video, we'll show you how to format phone numbers in Excel. Every country has a different country code and format of writing phone numbers. Sometimes, getting phone numbers to display correctly in Excel can be tricky, but with number formatting, these issues can be resolved. Let's do this. Open your Excel file and select the numbers you want to format. Go to the Home tab and click the drop-down arrow in the Number area of the ribbon. Select the Number tab, then choose Special from the list of options. In the Type section on the right, select the Phone Number option and click OK. If you'd like a different format for these numbers, select them and right-click the selection. Click on the Format Cells option, then select Custom. Enter the format you want. When you're done, click OK. This is how we can format our contacts.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.